Hey everyone! I'm coming on today to show you Beautycounter's Flawless in 5 set with the Ultimate Nudes eyeshadow palette. So we're going to take today's look from day to night, so let's get started. First I'm going to use Tint Skin Hydrating Foundation. My shade right now is Linen. So I just squeeze a little bit, like a dime size or less, on the back of my hand. Next, I'm going to use the retractable brush. I love this brush because it's nice and fluffy and it'll give you that really nice flawless finish that you're looking for. So you swirl the brush around on the back of your hand to get all the bristles wet with foundation. And then starting in the center of your face, I work my way out. Okay, so that'll give you the nice foundation base that you're looking for. Next, we're going to do concealer. So using Beautycounter's concealer pen, I'm going to be using Fair today. You click the bottom of the pen. Oh, don't mind my henna. That was from a bridal shower. So you're going to draw the concealer in straight lines underneath your eye. If you have other spots you want to cover, that's when you would do that as well. Using your ring finger, you'll tap the concealer into your skin. Next up is blush. I'm using Beautycounter's Blush Duo in Bloom Tulip. This is a nice rosy pink. I'll press my brush into the product, tap off the excess, then you smile and lightly tap into the apples of your cheeks and blend up towards your ear. So that'll give you a nice rosy complexion. So today I'm going to use Beautycounter's eyeshadow palette. Everything's really neutral and it comes with a handy brush, double-sided, with a tapered edge and a fluffy end. So today I'm going to use Gilded, Rich Bronze, and Canyon as my trio for today. So to start, I'm going to use the fluffy end, tap it into the Gilded, which is a bright gold, and then I'm just going to tap this into my eyelid. When you tap the brush, that helps saturate the color and not, get it all over your face. And that's a nice look even on its own just for daytime. Next up, I'm going to add the secondary color, Rich Bronze. I'm going to use the tapered end this time and just lightly tap it into the Rich Bronze and then dust off the excess. And I'm going to go into my crease. And then draw it down like a V into the corner. You can even open your eye and see where your crease is to make sure you got it in a place where you can see it a little bit when your eye's closed. Now I'm going to use the fluffy side, which has nothing on it right now, to blend. So little circular motions around the edge to soften all of those lines that might be there. and you can blend the two colors together. So now we're going to do the other eye. So when you're blending your eyeshadow, make sure you're blending up towards your eyebrow as opposed to down, so that you don't get anything on the outside corners of your eyes. If you do, you can always clean it up at the end. And now the last step is using the tapered side again. I'm going to dip into the canyon, and just on the outer corner, I'm going to just dust it along the lash line. We'll use the fluffy side again to blend. So this gives you a really nice smokier eye, and this is perfect for nighttime, but you can even wear it during the day too because it's a nice neutral brown. If you want to wear eyeliner, this is when you'd add that, but I'm just going to go straight into mascara. I am using Beautycounter's Volumizing Mascara today. I'm going to tap my lower lashes. When putting mascara on, you want to make sure you dig the brush into the lash line and then lift it to the ends. I like to lean my head back so I don't get anything on my eyelid. Okay, and the final step for the eyes is your brow. I'm using Beautycounter's Brow Pencil in medium. And you want to extend your brow out at the end. If you need it, of course. So the last step is lips. I'm going to be using Beautycounter's lip gloss in Fig. This is a really pretty kind of purple shade. I love this color because it gives you a pop of color, but it's still really natural. So now you can see it's really easy to take your look from day to night. All you have to do is add a couple shades of eyeshadow and a swipe of lip gloss and a pretty pigment, and you are good to go. Thanks so much for tuning in today.